What's up guys, my name is Booberino. We are at RainGG once again to try to get rich opening some cases. So we have $500 in our pockets and we're gonna start. But before we start, don't forget to use the link on the description to get 5% bonus upon your deposit, 3 free cases. So we're gonna open the monthly case. Yes. You're gonna and do you have these cases for free? We're gonna open each of these and we got to see what we have. It's dollars for free. I don't mind, and we gonna create some battles. 4-way. Let me just a 4-way. Okay, we can do this 4-way. Why not? Just to warm the things up. Just to try to get something out of here. I think the website today is a little bit slow. Hello, come on. Let me just check the chat. Let me just check. No one is saying anything, so let me just refresh the page. Okay, we're gonna check it later. Okay, so we're gonna create another battle, but this time we're gonna go 3 vs 3, 10% modes, and the price ascending. We're gonna go to maybe 100. 100 seems nice to me. 107, and I hope things are right. Bro, we just won the other battle. We gotta check it out for sure. Damn, look at this. $200 from I think a $40 case. It's good to me. Okay. Ooh, bro, they are just unstoppable on these 10% cases. But still, it's not expensive, so we can turn around quite easily, I think. Bro, again. What are the bots doing? And the best skin. Bro, they are smashing us. Stop. Okay. Bro, every time a 10% is dropping. That's quite nice. Stop. Good boy. How much? 100. And we are on the lead just like that. Stop. No freaking way. Broskis, look at these. Stop, please. Bro. Almost. Stop, please. Bro, this cannot be true. Like, I think it's a 10% in every case. And how much? 100. Okay, we are quite on the lead right now. And another. Oh, that was so close to a double. Stop. Okay. I can't ask that much since we are dropping like crazy, people. Okay, 5 cases to go. Stop. Oh, so close. Okay. 3 more cases and 3 more chances to get profit. Please, just go down a little bit. Come on. Stop! Double! Oh my freaking god. But oh, it's a budget knife. it will not be expensive. But 100 is 100, right? Okay. Could be worst. 10% gloves. Stop right here. Ooh. How much do we gonna earn, bro? How much? Okay, and we earn 77. Okay, we still double the profit, the money, and let's go to history. Bro, it's like my history, not this history. Okay, no problem. We ended up, we start the video with 500 and we already have 770. So we're gonna go to a 2 versus 2 and we're gonna go to a $270 case. I'm gonna go to this price and we're gonna just fill it up. Guys, don't forget, if you want to play in this site, you get 5% bonus, 3 free cases with my code, and my code does luck to people. People enjoy my code that much. Yeah, it's true. So we call the bot and let's freaking go. 15 Ks, last battle of this video. Okay. Nice. Make that bread for us. We're still on the lead, I think. There's still a lot of cases to go. Please don't. Just don't. Damn. It's gonna drop like a $200, right? Okay, 54. I was not expecting that. Continental Bridge. Okay, 67. Colorblind. Go. Good job. Perfect. That's perfect for us. I'm feeling it's gonna be huge. Wipe out how much? Oh, just 80. I was not expecting 80. It's like almost nothing. Okay, nobody got anything on this one. Sabotage. Bro, don't oof. Don't do a freaking double. Just don't. I think we're still on the lead. Don't, please. Oh, good boy. 5 more cases to go. We truly need to drop something because they are coming back really hard. I think we have the same money right now. Oh, I mean, not anymore, but they are so close to us. So close. 3 more cases. Stop, please. Bro. So close. Don't think about that. Good. Please don't last cases. I just pegged that. Don't last cases. Come on. Oh my freaking god. And the best weapon. Bro. 500. No freaking way. Okay, so guys, we just ended up the video here. We could have withdraw 270, but since I want to create content for you guys, I just played. But if you are smart, just take out the 270 and withdraw a nice skin or crypto you choose. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for being here. If you want to play on RainGG, just use the link on the description to get 5% bonus and 3 free cases. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Cheers.